everybody. Today I'm going to explain how this gigantic contraption works, what the 3 simple machines that I use, and all of the 8 steps it takes to make that golf ball go into the cup, as you can see here. So the first thing that's going to happen is this golf ball, in which I'm going to drop right here, is going to roll down this inclined plane. Next thing that's going to happen is this little golf ball is going to fall into this pulley, into this little pulley basket, which is going to then pull up this little tiny bouncy ball, which is going to hit this golf ball, which is going to hit this little pullback van. And then this one is, since it's a pullback car, it's going to be able to go up this inclined plane, knock this little golf ball down, and roll down this little path, which is going to knock down these dominoes. This last domino is going to knock down this other pullback car, which is going to flick this little, I guess you could call it a lever, which is going to knock these next dominoes down, which is going to then knock this pullback car, and then that pullback car is going to go zoom up, knock that last golf ball, which is going to fall down the last inclined plane into the hole. So the hard parts, just some of the harder parts for this one, is this pulley was probably one of the hardest parts for this one, because we had to incorporate all the friction between these little poles and this rope. You had to get the perfect amount of weight in each basket so that this one would perfectly go up and knock this one. And also we needed to make sure that this little this little ball had enough force and speed to knock this one down. And we also had to make sure that this one had enough force to knock this little car up this ramp, or incline plane, as you could call it. Those are pretty much the harder parts. Also, getting these things to stop at one point without going, since they're pullback cars, they're just meant to go. And getting it to stop at this one point was one of the relatively more difficult parts. And the 3 simple machines that I used were inclined plane, which I used multiple times and was very useful during this experiment. The pulley, which I used here to lift this ball up, and the wheel and axle in these cars. Anyways, that's pretty much how this thing works. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.